carrots, man. Arg.
Passing the time as we roam across the ocean. Feel the waves envelop your mind as they rock you with emotion. Calling like a lullaby, singing like a siren's cry. Through every night, can you prove to me all your devotion? Who knows where we'll go over the deep blue below? Oh, heave ho, raise up the sails, chasing the winds on a new adventure. Heave ho, heads or tails, take a chance on the tides, they act as our guide. Heave ho, like a crow in the nest, seeking the chest with the golden treasure. Heave ho, captain's call, you know that we'll answer, you know that we'll answer the call.
Heave ho, get it on the low.
Ding ding ding, 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 ding ding ding.
Going deep down below. Drop your sword, leave the days ashore when you make a vow of your own accord at the bow of the ship or down with the ammo. Join you fellas in the belly of the bellows.
Knows where we'll go over the deep blue below. Oh, heave ho, raise up the sails, chasing the winds on a new adventure. Heave ho, heads or tails, take a chance on the tides, they act as our guide. Heave ho, like a crow in the nest, seeking the chest with the golden treasure. Heave ho, captain's call, you know that we'll answer, you know that we'll answer the call. Yo ho ho, as we sail into the sunlight. Yo ho ho, 'cause the sailing's just begun. Yo ho ho, as the captain sings her call. Yo ho ho, for the glory that awaits us all.
I wear a mask with a smile.
Ding ding ding,
for
ding ding
hours
ding,
at a time.
ding ding
Stare at
ding,
the ceiling
ding ding
while I
ding,
hold
ding ding
back
ding,
what's
ding ding
on
ding.
my mind. And when they ask me how I'm doing, I say I'm just fine. And when they ask
Ding
me
ding
how I'm
ding, ding ding
doing,
ding,
I say
ding ding ding,
I'm just
ding ding
fine.
ding, ding ding ding, ding ding
I
ding.
can never get off of my mattress. And all that they can ask is, why are you so sad, kid? That's what the mask is.
Can you guys hear
That's what
me
the
loud?
point of the mask is.
Am I audible?
So you can see I'm trying, you won't see me crying. I'll just keep on smiling, I'm good. And it just keeps on piling, it's so terrifying. But I keep on smiling, I'm good. I've been caring too much for so long. Been comparing myself for so long. Been wearing a smile for so long.
Oh my god, I'm scuffed.
Always
Shame
being
is scuffed.
judged by
I'm
a
sorry.
bunch of strange faces. Scared to go outside, haven't seen the light in ages. But I'm in
Here.
places, so I'm okay-ish. So I'm okay. I'm okay, but the fact is, I need help. I'm failing all my classes.
Tell me instead.
They think that I need glasses. I just really wish that I could pass this. That's what the mask is. That's what the point of the mask is. So you can see I'm trying. You won't see me crying. I'll just keep on smiling. I'm good. And it just keeps on piling. It's so terrifying. But I keep on smiling. I'm good. I've been caring too much for so long. Been comparing myself for so long. Been wearing a smile for so long.
Hello? Is this better? Mic test. You might hear someone snoring. That's my father. Oh my god. This stream has been delayed, but it's still scuff. Okay, I think I can hear myself better. But
Ding ding ding, ding ding ding, ding ding ding, ding
Hello,
ding ding,
guys.
ding ding
Welcome to the
ding, ding ding
stream.
ding.
thank you for the follow, Bree, Tomalyn, Jarrell. Jarrell is here. Oh my god. Oh no. Thank you for the follow, Wolfie. I hope you guys like the alert. The alert. So hello, Wolfie. Oh my god, chat is active. I can see it. Wait, sorry. I've been ignoring chat. So let's see who are the the people in chat. So we have Nightbot and my sister as the mods. Is this Bosch? Hello, Bosch. Boshy Bo. Welcome to the stream, Jarrell, Bree, Shy Puff, and Tomalyn. If I'm reading your names wrong, I'm so sorry. Oh my god, my mic is falling. One moment. Everything is going wrong. Yan. Maayos na. Iwala lang. Go Bree. So guys, this is the stream has been delayed for so long because like Wi-Fi is really unstable right now. Converge is bad. Yes. Hello, Bosch. Okay, Toma. Hello, Toma. So let's get started with stream. So welcome everyone. Thank you for watching. I'm very nervous. I can speak right now. Okay. If there's still problem with the sound or like, I'm so sorry. just tell me in the chat. Yes. Okay. So let's start with my PowerPoint. So I hope you guys are excited because you can see my PNG right now. You'll know who did it. I think they might be posting it right now, the one who did it. But hello, Mehoy Mihoy. How do you read it? Mehoy Mihoy. I think that's M. Yes. So this is my PowerPoint. So about me. My name is Tinenin or Tin, whichever you would like to call me. I prefer if you call me Tinenin, you know how to read it, right? And it's Tin, and it's Tin, not Tine. but I'm okay if someone mispronounce it. But because you guys are here, I hope you guys remembered it's Tin. I have my age right here. I'm 19 years old. I think most of people here knows my age. If there's new people here who doesn't know me personally, because most people in the chat is like I know these people, but yes. So the language I speak are English and Tagalog. My stream will be somewhat mix of English and Filipino. I think I will speak in Filipino when I can't express myself in English. I'm trying to speak English more to practice my English. I also know Spanish because I'm learning Spanish in my university right now. I haven't talked to someone in Spanish, but I've read things in Spanish. My favorite color is mainly yellow. So if you can see my setup right now, it's like full of yellow and shades of yellow because it's my favorite color. But I also like pastel colors, mainly mint green, and that's what it complements my yellow, my shade of yellow the best. I also like black. I realized that I don't really have color yellow as like items or like clothing. My favorite color is yellow, but I don't have anything yellow. But I have mostly black. But I live in the Philippines, so like wearing black is such a pain, but also it is good in anything. It's like when I'm being fashionable, it's like black is the go-to color. I don't really know what to put here in my about me section, and like I just put the things I think you'll be interested in. So my favorite book author is Neil Gaiman because the thing is, I started reading his books because of my mother. My mom is a fan of Neil Gaiman, and there was a time where I really wanna read random things, and like I'm into fantasy books so much, and Neil Gaiman really write awesome fantasy books. My favorite book of Neil Gaiman is, I can't remember the name. It's like The Ocean at the End of the Lane, and I remember it being something somewhat creepy and like exhilarating to read, and I was like, I want to sleep but also I want to finish this. I keep reading it, and I managed to finish it in like 5 days, I think. And so for the next is my favorite song. Cute naman ng PowerPoint mo. Yeah, you'll know who I'm gonna talk about who made this PowerPoint. Actually, I wrote the things in it, but the like design, I just asked someone to make it for me. Oops, I think my mom's meeting is finished. If you can hear her, I'm sorry. I think I'm too close to the mic, but it's fine. It's fine. Okay, my favorite song is it's a hard question because like I don't know how people have favorite song out of all the songs that exist in the world. How come you have one favorite song? So I wrote depends on the genre. Yes. But my go-to song that I say when someone asks me is Spring Day by BTS, because it's a really pretty song, and like the Korean and the English version of it is really good, and I like the lyrics so much. But it depends really on my mood what's my favorite song. I will say in OPM, like I like Ben and Ben right now, but I had a phase where I like Four of Spade songs. So the next is my Hogwarts house. I'm a Hufflepuff. I haven't taken the test. I don't remember when was the last time I took the test, but I took the test, and my first time when I can say this word, yes. When I took the test for the first time, the results was Hufflepuff. Then wait guys, let me just mute one second, sorry. Naririnig ba si Papa sa stream?
Oo, di si Papa.
I mean, kahit nakamute ako, naririnig pa rin ako. May problem sa mic ko. Yes, guys, yes. I'm hearing myself. Yes, I know. Tiningnan ko sa stream ko, narinig ko sarili ko, nakamute ako. Like, what? This is scuff stream. Okay, what was ano yung sinasabi ko? Wait, yes, Hufflepuff, yes. I got Hufflepuff the first time I took the test. And at the time, it makes sense to me. But like, I'm also introvert. But also, yes, I'm loyal. Hufflepuffs are loyal and like friendly. I feel like I fit in the Hufflepuff. But when I took it for like second time, I got Gryffindor. Bri ako lang to, loyal. I got Gryffindor. Then I took it again for the third time, and I got Hufflepuff again. So like, yes, loyal. Wait, I think I wrote some notes so about this PowerPoint. I also I wrote on my notes hobbies. Right now, reading fan fictions. That's what I do most of the time. And like I'm on a break right now, university break. So I'm not doing anything other than sleep and read and maybe scroll in Twitter. And that's my life right now. But I'm doing some IRL stuff mainly. But hobbies, it's mostly reading and watching videos. Yeah, that's my hobbies. I'm an introvert, so like I can't write like my hobbies is going outside, touching grass, or meeting people, partying. Like, no, I won't do that. My favorite movies. I like movies that makes me cry. Is that bad? Is that bad to like movies that makes you cry? It somehow, I think this is my opinion, but I think movies that makes me cry is the best kind of movies because they somehow, it's like something about controlling your emotions. They manage to like touch you so much that you cry because of them. Like that's the kind of movies is my that I think is good. So movies, I can list down, most of them are animated movies. So this is not an animated movie, but I watched it one time and I cried, and I haven't watched it since. It's like I can't remember. I'm like 9 years old when I watched it. I can't remember, but it's called A Walk to Remember. I won't tell you what is about. You can search about it, but I don't want to spoil it because when I tell something about when I talk about a movie, I tend to spoil it. So I won't tell you what it is about. But it's A Walk to Remember. And there's a song in it that made me cry. And then the movie made me cry overall. Like, yes. Another movie, and this is an animated movie. Your Name. And I have watched it several times now, and I've told this to my sister recently that Your Name is a hit or miss for me now. Like, there's a 50% chance that I might cry, there's a 50% chance that I might not cry because I watched it for so much. Also another movie, animated film, it's I Want to Eat Your Pancreas. It's another movie that made me cry, and I watched it like yesterday. I can't remember. Yes, I rewatched it yesterday, and I sobbed. I tweeted it. Like nag-tweet ako about it, but like I sobbed, and like I can feel my face for like at least 5 minutes because of all the crying that I did. But that's good movie. I recommend that movie. I Want to Eat Your Pancreas. If you want to cry, watch that movie. Yes. So I also wrote on my notes that I didn't write it here because, well, it's more like about me, and I can't think of anything else to talk about me. I don't know. What do you want to know about me? You can ask me questions. Maybe send it on my Twitter account. Just at me, and maybe I'll do another separate stream answering questions you wanna learn about me. But this is like the gist of the things I think you would want to know about me. I can't remember what's the next in this PowerPoint. Let me just. Oh yes, credits. I forgot what my PowerPoint entails, but here. Thank you for these two people. Bree did my PNG. I've been planning for this stream for a month, but my finals got to me. My university finals got to me. Then our Wi-Fi have been shitty for the past weeks, and I've been talking to Bree for like a month. I think I don't know. Yes, Bree, you're here. I also learned about how to pronounce Bree's name because I was making this PowerPoint. I was like, I don't know how will I pronounce their name. Is it Bri? I thought it's Bri, but turns out it's Bree because it's Brielle. Like I didn't know that's like her name. It's Brielle, but yeah. Well, yeah. I wrote them that the one who made my PNG, and they did so amazing with it. I have it as my lock screen and wallpaper on my phone. Yes. Oh my god, hi Sisa. Oh my god. Is this cheese? I don't know about that cheese, but yeah, Brie. Thank you for Brie for making my PNG. I'm going to show the PNG later after this PowerPoint, but after all the PowerPoints. But yeah, I'm also thanking Nika or Nicole. You guys know her as Nicole. Nika, I asked Nika to make me something as my PowerPoint because I just want to mention her on my stream. She is also one of the mods, but I don't know if she is here because I think she is busy right now because school. She doing school. She made the first and second slide and the starting screen. If you guys saw the starting screen, which is Dritis, I asked her to make something like a meme like looking thing for me, and she made the Dritis, and I think it's Bree's art also, the Dritis. She makes awesome art. Right now, she is currently on her road on her road of making Niji Sanji arts, VTuber art. Bree's commission is still open, so if you guys like her art, if you guys think she made me look very cool with my PNG, go commission her. She is awesome. She is very cool. They made it so awesome. I wanna cry. And like delaying the stream is such a pain because I wanna show my PNG so much because it's so cool and like yeah. You're a cool person, right, Brie? The amount of times I want to like leak my PNG to my friends like Nika, and like no, I want to surprise her. I won't leak it. The only people who saw it is I think my sister, my mother and father, because I've been practicing the OBS thing and they saw the PNG. And my university friends, I'm like flexing this art. It's so pretty. Sorry for calling you Bri. Nasanay na ako, Bri. Nasanay na ako. I've been calling you Bri since I have read your name and I learned how to pronounce it 2 weeks ago. Don't come at me. Okay, for the next. So, my schedule. Honestly, I was not planning on streaming after my debut stream because I want to like space it out. And but because of the delay, I think it's better to have like a stream plan and like announcement what the next stream would be. And so so today the stream is the debut stream is Thursday in Philippines and it's 1 a.m. Yes, I'm a good feel. No one is sleeping. It's fine. You're fine. Next stream is tomorrow and 1 a.m. PhD again. And at the same time, I will try to schedule a stream in like afternoon in PH because it's and that is streams that I have like guests. If I have guests, it won't be like 1 a.m. unless they are okay for if the stream is 1 a.m. But I think to be more considerate if I will have guests, this the what I have this in mind as well. What to expect for streams? I can talk, promise. Bunch of chat bunch of chatting stream for now, because my PC, I don't know if I'm dropping frames right now, so I'm not sure if we can take like how heavy games are, PC games, and I haven't like clear out the PC I'm using. The old PC I stream on is like what my sister is using, and that's where the games are, and I haven't like downloaded the games I wanna play in this PC I'm currently using, and that's a process I'm delaying. Actually, I haven't like done that, but expect bunch of just chatting streamed, and yeah, the games will be in the future when I have it set up. I will the only if you are well if you have games that is like browser games, I think I can do that. Tetria is what it's called. I can play that, and because it's in the browser, and it's okay if I don't download it. That's the kind of game. I think I have Tetris scheduled next week. Yes, but for tomorrow the stream will be ranking Studio Ghibli films. I have watched bunch of them, but so I think I can rank them, but I also haven't watched some of them, which is another rank I will create. But I will the time will be 1 a.m. for PHT. The other it's the same time, honestly. If there's a change of if I will change the stream time, I will announce it on my Twitter, so follow me at my Twitter. At Twitter it's at Rightinanin. It's I never explained right my at name, my Twitter at. It's Rightinanin because it's writing and Rightinanin. Yeah, you'll understand. Yes. So this is my schedule. I will post this what do you call this? I will post my schedule later after the stream, so you'll see it. So let's proceed to the next segment of the stream, which is showing off the PNG. So let's here. Hello. I'm larger. Yes. Ha. Oh my god, I can see you guys in the chat, and it's cut off. Oh my god, why is it like that? I have to edit that. Sorry guys if your name is cut off. But it's time to show off the PNG. So well guys, this is some of the things we added. They added this, and it's not like something we talk about. When they sent the Google Drive for it, I was like surprised. Like, why is there? Why? I'm like, that is why B is such an awesome artist. So we have this. Look at it! Look at it! It's so cool. It's a heart. B gave me a heart. It's so cool. At first I was like, oh my god. I was not even thinking of like putting hands on my PNG. All I requested was its mouth moving. Okay, let me just the other hands is this. It's so fancy. I'm so fancy. Yeah. And then this one, I like this one the best. Yes. Whatever you want to interpret this one, it's either L for loser or L for Lenny. Yes. It's so cool. And I also have like the my PNG not having glasses. Wait, let me just
Ding 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 ding
Let me
ding
just
ding ding
edit
ding
this
ding
one
ding
up.
ding 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 ding.
Mm. There we go. It's me without glasses. And for love you. Ay, ever. Love you too. Like, yes. So cool, right? Kinikilig ako niyo ba? Yes, but yes, Brie made my PNG. It's so cool. I forget how I describe it as like a sailor. I haven't thought of my lore story is, but I see myself as a sailor. And oh, I didn't saw that. Thank you for the follow, Sisa. But I'm a sailor, and that's what my outfit is as a sailor. I search for sailor outfits, but I don't like. I feel like I'm not an ordinary sailor. I haven't thought my whole story yet. But someday when I have it written down. I will talk about it. It's like a design I have for my Dream SMP Sona, and I've been just carrying it as my main character in everything I do, and now it's my stream persona. It's Tininin. And I really love how Brie did it. It's like they did the sketch like the day I asked for them. Like I asked for the commission, and the same day they sent the sketch. I'm like, this person works fast. What? But yes, it's really awesome, and I'm really happy that I get to debut, and because I've been there's been so many things happening, and I'm so happy that I got to debut my PNG. Thank you for everyone for like supporting. I have like people, mostly my friends from Mabuhay GC, like being very excited. And like they were also sad when I have to delay it because my Wi-Fi is bad. Yes. So I'm not really sure if it's raining outside, so I'm not sure if like it's dropping that many frames. Oh my god, this in OBS it said 4,627 drop frames. Yes, I'm dropping frames. Yes, but thank you everyone for watching, and thank you everyone for going for my stream. I haven't I don't really know what to say more. Let me just go to my uh yes, here, my stream. So you guys won't forget I have a stream tomorrow at this hour again. um I hope you guys are I hope you guys enjoyed this debut stream. I didn't really plan much. I just want like to talk about my PNG and the plans I have. I have like a, a chatting segment with guests. I'm smoothing things out. Still planning for the people I have, and I have for my planned lineup of people I will like talk random things about. But yes, look out for that. The stream I'm getting tired of speaking in English. I'm sorry. But the stream tomorrow is the Ghibli stream. I just noticed that we now have 30. I now have 30 followers. Oh my god. Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you for following. The goal I have is 50 because but actually the goal right now is 50, just like it's the Twitch thing. That's a goal for Twitch. If we ever, I hopefully, if I become a consistent streamer, at 100 followers, I will make a Discord so that you guys will be able to get more updates when will my streams will be. For now, follow my Twitter. I don't think I have it. Let me just try to do this. I don't know if this will work. I think. My god, I can't spell. Is this the right command? Let me just check. Yes, this is the right command. Okay. That is my Twitter account. If you guys are not if you guys are not following me there, follow me there, and I will be tweeting more about my following streams, the streams I have planned. If you also have suggestions, stream suggestions, or like anything you want to offer me, I'm a humble little streamer. Suggest me some things I can do because I don't know myself. I don't really play many games other than mobile games, which is something that is hard to set up. But you guys can maybe suggest some games for me, and I will try playing them. Yes, so thank you so much again. I think I don't want to end yet, but I think it's time to end because I don't really have anything to say anymore. So guys, thank you so much again for coming to my debut stream. See you hopefully tomorrow on my stream tomorrow. Thank you again, and bye bye. Love you too, Bree. Thank you so much. Bye bye.